Hello, I'm Magali Hodgson, npower Product and Services Optimization Manager. Welcome to this week's market update. Last week on the gas front, on the prompt market, we saw the week starting on the bearish note. However, by the end of the week, prices had ticked back up, and this is on, of course, the gas system is still struggling to balance, even though demand is pretty low. Flows to the continent via the IUK were down, and this is on the back of the day-ahead basis between NBP and Zeebrugge tightening. On the power prompt market, power margin were healthy last week. However, we had maximum import from the French and Dutch interconnector. By the end of the week, we had some concern over nuclear generation, as we saw some load reduction towards the end of the week, which meant that prices, unfortunately, did tick back up. On the curve, nothing to really declare. It was very range-bound. One interesting fact was, however, by the end of the week, we had the US light crude prices going above Brent oil prices. And this is the first time since 2010. And this is on the US strengthening on their economy, actually eroding some of the premium we saw in Brent oil. Looking forward, it's likely that the gas fundamentals will carry on driving the prompt market, as we're seeing some gas concerns still here in Rio. The month of August has always got some maintenance, which means that the flows into the UK will be reduced. LNG concerns are still there. We are having some competition globally, as we know, but we're having two tankers heading their way into the UK. So any change to those plans, however, will be a very strong driver. This week is default week for the August power contract, and that means that we should see some support to the balance of the summer prices. On Wednesday, we're having the EU and US manufacturing data coming out, and that, of course, will be one of the main drivers for the global commodity complex. So to recap, gas fundamentals are giving us a slightly bullish outlook, with the maintenance starting in August, putting the concern around the supply balance on the gas system. We're also having some support from the retail hedging ahead of August closure. On the curve, we should see a lull, that is on the back of the market being quite range-bound, and of course the summer holidays. But removing the emotion from the market, having the right risk management tool and services at your disposal, you will be able to manage your price risk exposure. If you'd like to ask me any question, please use the email below. I hope you enjoyed today's update, and I'll see you next week. Bye-bye.